Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Today is the 226th day of the year, and there are 139 days left. We're getting closer to Christmas. Yay. Yay. Anyway, hope you've all had a wonderful summer. And with school starting, don't forget about our online resource, tutor.com. To get an overview, check out the links that are in the description of this video, and it's in both English and Spanish. It's really an awesome program, so check it out. Now, on August 16th at 7 p.m., we want you to join us for a screening of the Ozark Society film, First River, How Arkansas Saved the National Treasure. Now, this was created for the 50th anniversary of the Buffalo River's official designation as America's first national river. And this film explores the river's conservation history as well as contemporary issues facing Arkansas's Buffalo National River. Now, don't forget, screening 7 p.m. It'll be in the community room here at the Rogers Library. Now, in the children's department, they're going to be starting back with their regular programming, and coming back this fall is Smart Starts, and that'll be on Tuesdays at 10 a.m., and then Creative Constructors, and that's on Saturday at 2 p.m. So be sure and check the calendar for all of the regular programs. And in the teen department, we've got our DIY Mondays. They're always from 6 to 8 in the community room. On the 15th, they're doing scallion pancakes. And the 22nd, toadstool jars. And then there's game night on the 18th, teen tabletop games on the 20th, which is a Saturday, and giant Pac-Man on the 25th. Sounds like some fun's going on in teen department. A reminder, we're closed on Friday and Saturday, the 26th and 27th of this month, for staff training and building maintenance. So, till next time, have a wonderful few weeks. Bye now.